have to leave now. Thank you so much, Celestine. God bless you. Good night to you. Thank you. God bless. Thank you. Good night, Celestine. God bless. Thank you so much. People leaving California because can't afford. Bye-bye, CS. Bye-bye, beautiful Sunday. Good night. Good night, Celestine. People leaving California because can't afford to live there with taxes on everything. California also, I think even in Canada, that's also the reason about tax. But the cousin of my father, she is citizen there, and she said that it's still good benefits anyway. You have nice clothing brands, I saw. Clothing brands? Which brand? Which brand do you mean, Rahul? I used to live in California also. Oh, okay, boo. Our government are taking our taxes but not using them on what we want or need. But let's not talk politics. It's okay, Simon. Sometimes we have to. Sometimes we can really feel it. Jono Vlogs, hello, welcome. Thank you so much. Yes, we should get back to Annalie finding a boyfriend. Live about that, Jan. It's okay, Jan. Sometimes it's just giving headache, Jan. We are all Annalie boyfriends. Boyfriends, Simon. Boyfriends. Mr. Love You. Mr. Love You. So who is it going to be, Anna? Anikit, welcome back, Anikit. Thank you so much. Sorry, Kara is not here. Welcome back. Call her out straight up. Kara is not here, Anikit. I think she's tired. Wafs Alforati. Hello, Wafs. Welcome. Please like and subscribe. Here are good brands of clothing that is good smile, good gesture and positivity which most people lack nowadays. You are a real motivation to many on live chat show. Thank you so much, Arky Singh. Thank you. Anna has a boyfriend in every continental. Every continental. Sana all. Yeah. I have from everywhere. From everywhere, guys. I have all of you guys, right? So, I'm happy with that already. Having all of you guys, I'm happy with that. Simon is very tough.